Stop the video and read the problem and ask yourself, what are you trying to find? We're trying to figure out x equals what? So we have an equation here. We have two variables. They tell us that y does not equal to 0. That means we can divide both sides by y. And if we divide both sides by y, that y cancels, and you're left with 3x minus 5 divided by 2 equals 1. They have to tell you y is not equal to 0 because you cannot divide both sides by 0. That would be undefined, but we know that y is not 0, so that's legal. So let's clear our fractions by multiplying both sides by 2, and that gives me 3x minus 5 equal 2. Add 5 to both sides, it gives me 7. Divide both sides by 3, and that gives me x equal 7/3. This was an actual GMAT EA problem.